Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Zezid, you have to say welcome to them. I say hello guys. Welcome back again to my channel. So guys, today is Zoe's Christmas carol and she's performing. We're going to give her a surprise. We got the tickets I think last week or so, but we told her we're not going to come. She was feeling sad and all of that, but we decided to surprise her. We knew we were going, but we just told her we won't go, rather we won't come. So we're going. She's very excited and surprised to see us. Let's go. We just finished from Zoe's school. Zoe had a very nice presentation. We are so proud of her. I couldn't show you guys because all these restrictions and the likes, you know, privacy thing, make I no go video person picking join. Thank you Jesus. It's just drizzling cold. Today is Zoe's Christmas party. Look at a girl. Looking so good. See this jacket she's putting on her. It's just like a blanket. It's so warm. I love it. I love it. Outfit check. The shade trainers pink. What's this called? Cargo pads. Jacket, long sleeve. Give there. What in the name of wind is this? Because the wind is literally pushing me back. Jesus, I'm going to drop Zoe in school today. I need to take my driving lessons as soon as possible. Also is working this morning, so usually he goes to drop Zoe in school, but today because he started work early and I think he has a meeting or so I'm the one going to drop her, and because I never get license, this wind is flinging me and my daughter. See Zoe. God. Anyway, tomorrow is the last day of school, so we'll rest. God. Today is Zoe's party and we have gifts here for her teachers, end of the year gift. I forgot to video it to show you guys what we put inside, but they are quite nice and I can't open it on the road. So it's Christmas morning, guys. Merry Christmas. I already started cooking. I'm making fried rice and coleslaw. That's what we'll be having today for Christmas. So I chopped this bell pepper already, the shrimps and liver, and my husband is helping me with this. He's going to help grate the carrot and everything for the coleslaw. I'll just mix the cream and everything. How is Christmas at your end?
So what are we doing with this thing?
Cake. That's cake, are we?
Yes.
Don't eat it.
Yes.
So this is what our Christmas setup is looking like. We have fried rice, we have fish, beef and turkey, our coleslaw, we have kids drink, an adult drink. We're about to start munching and enjoying our Christmas. The food is just for 2 people technically, because Zoe and Zane, it won't even make any difference if they eat or they don't eat. Get you a landlord like us, guys.
Mommy?
See what our landlord gave to us, Christmas present. Like everybody, Zoe, Zane, myself and my husband. This is the card from them to James, Karen and family.
Mommy?
Yes. It says to James, Karen plus family, sending you lots of festive love. Merry Christmas from this and this. That's landlord, his wife and their daughter. You guys, our landlord has really been very helpful. Like, I think this is the best landlord we've had so far. They are so responsive. If we cough like this, the man is here. If we sneeze like this, he's here. He doesn't even allow us fix anything by ourselves. To find people like this is really difficult. We didn't even see this coming. My husband just called that, okay, we have a gift for them, a Christmas present rather for them. And I was like, wow, they also have something for us, and we got this. Like, so good, and it really means a lot to me and my family. Zen is not allowing me to concentrate. See, I'm just saying this because a lot of us Nigerians, to be precise, are struggling to get a house. To find a house in this UK is not easy at all, and that's because one of the reasons is because aside the housing shortage and all of that, Nigerians or Africans, we don't have very good reputation. Whenever we rent house, it's either we don't pay or we don't take care of the house well and all of that. When someone gives you a house for rent, take care of the house like it's your own house. And it doesn't cost you anything to keep the house tidy. You are the one living there, no one will take care of it for you. Our previous landlord, because we moved in here like 6 months ago, our previous landlord, the house we got before now, and that was one of the reasons why we even moved. The agent showed us premium shaggy. It's not that we're not doing the house well, we're taking care of it well. We're taking care of it well, but as if the agent was just from here. Like they didn't even appreciate it. And anyone looking for a house, don't worry, you find a very good house and you will get a good landlord. Merry Christmas, guys. Let's unbox our Christmas present. See, Zoe has been waiting. She's waiting patiently to unbox the present. Oh yeah, take. I'm not really sure because he wasn't sure of the name, so open it. Yeah, open it. Let's open it. Let's unbox it. Can you okay, open it. We don't need the scissors.
Mommy?
Yes, Tutu.
This is looking at it with my own. It's my own, I think. Mommy? Yes!
Wow. This is so nice. Zane, wait. It's not for you. This is your. This is Zane's one. This is for Zane. This is for Zane. Come on, open it.
Okay.
Come.
Oh, so okay. Wow.
Wow.
Wait, I think we put in water for it to have Wow.
Wow. Wow. Yes. Open.
Yes, so me too. I want to open my own.
Wow. So happy. You
Maybe
can open it. You can open it. Or maybe open it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming.
Pico. Sellotape.
From here. From here. Okay, take this from here.
I know where it is now.
Thank you. Thank you, our landlord. Yes, the kids love their gift. Let me open our own.
Okay.
Okay. Is it for you? Yes. Wow. Wow. Fox. Fabulous, yes. Has a lot of
Chocolates.
variety of chocolates. Merry Christmas, everyone. See you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.
Don't worry, I got it. Bye. 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 Merry Christmas.